Hello, students. Today we'll be discussing the topic active and passive. We have already discussed, this is the second video on this topic. Here we have 30 questions in total. We'll be solving them one by one. Now, as you know that while doing active and passive, whenever we convert active sentence into passive one, we are supposed to use V3. राइट हमने थर्ड फॉर्म यूज करना है थ्रू आउट वेदर इट इज सिंपल और कंटिन्यूस और परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस पे तो हम यूज ही नहीं करते इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल टू मेक पैसिव ऑफ परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंस सो हियर सी द फर्स्ट वन आई एम प्लेइंग क्रिकेट ing है दिस इज विच टेंस दिस इज कंटिन्यूस राइट अब कंटिन्यूस को हम किससे चेंज करते हैं एक तो आप प्लेइंग का थर्ड फॉर्म लगाओगे विच इज प्लेड और बीइंग होना चाहिए एंड इट शुड बी बीइंग अलोंग विथ कंटिन्यूस नाउ सी वी हैव बीइंग इन ए वी हैव इन बी ऑल्सो सी ऑल्सो डी में नहीं है आई एम प्लेइंग क्रिकेट. Now subject would change into object. So cricket, I am, it is in present tense. Whenever you make passive, आपका active जब passive में बनता है, you are supposed to retain the tense of the sentence. Means if your active is in present tense, your passive would also be in present tense. Here it is present continuous. So it has to be present continuous in the passive, which is only possible with the B option. Cricket is being played by me. Cricket was the object, which is our new subject. I is the subject and it becomes the object in the passive. So cricket is being played by me. Second, he played many games. He played many games. It is सिंपल पास्ट सेंटेंस जो है ये सिंपल पास्ट का है. सो सिंपल पास्ट को हम वॉज वर और थर्ड फॉर्म से चेंज करते हैं. सो लेट्स सी इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल क्योंकि इसमें हैड है. नाउ मैनी गेम्स इज प्लूरल. सो यहाँ पे हम वर लगाएंगे. सो मैनी गेम्स वॉज प्लेड कैन नॉट बी देयर. वर नॉट प्लेड यू कैन नॉट चेंज द मीनिंग ऑफ द सेंटेंस. ही प्लेड मैनी गेम्स इसमें आप वर नॉट नहीं लगा सकते. So it has to be D. Many games were played by him. Third says he had already passed the examination. Now this sentence, yes, this sentence is in perfect tense. Why it is perfect? We have had और थर्ड फॉर्म है. सो इन द परफेक्ट टेंस हम बीन लगाते हैं राइट. अब हम देखते हैं बीन कहाँ पे है. इन ए इट इज़ नॉट देयर. बी में है. सी में ऑल्सो वी डू नॉट हैव. एंड ओके इन डी ऑल्सो वी हैव. सो इट हैज़ टू बी द एग्जामिनेशन हैड ऑलरेडी बीन पास्ड बाय हिम. इट हैज़ टू बी बी बिकॉज दिस इज इन पास्ट परफेक्ट. ये जो सेंटेंस है ये आपका पास्ट परफेक्ट में है एंड दिस इज प्रेजेंट टेंस. सो डी इज ऑल्सो नॉट पॉसिबल. फोर्थ, अ चाइल्ड लाइक्स टॉयज. दिस इज वॉट दिस इज सिंपल प्रेजेंट. सिंपल प्रेजेंट. सो हियर वी आर सपोज टू यूज इज एम आर विथ थर्ड फॉर्म. लाइक्स का लाइक्ड हो जाएगा. सो टॉयज हैव तो आ ही नहीं सकते हैं. हियर वी डू नॉट हैव एनी ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब. टॉयज है उसके साथ आप इज नहीं लगाओगे. टॉयज के साथ आर आएगा. यू वुड यूज ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब एज पर योर न्यू सब्जेक्ट. आर न्यू सब्जेक्ट इज टॉयज. इट हैज टू बी आर. वाई? बिकॉज टॉयज इज प्लूरल. सो टॉयज आर लाइक्ड बाय अ चाइल्ड. फिफ्थ, fifth says she is eating mangoes. Now she is eating is what? It is present continuous. Present continuous के लिए हमें चेक करना होगा being. B-E-I-N-G. A cannot be there. बाकी सारों में है. Now mangoes is plural, so it has to be are. So mangoes are being eaten by her. 5 का C. Next is 6th one. She has written letters. She has written letters. It is in present perfect. Present perfect. Written is third form itself. यहाँ पे हमें ऐड करना होगा been. So in A we do not have. Here also we do not have, and here also we do not have. We have only in D. So it is 6D. She letters have been written by her. D is the correct one. 7th. The doctor had examined him. Now the doctor had examined him. The doctor had examined him. Here the doctor is the subject and him is the object. So he had been examined by the doctor. It has to be 7B. It is in past perfect. Your passive would also be in past perfect. 8th. I saw a snake. Now saw is the second form, so the sentence is of simple past. How will you change this? With the help of the auxiliary verb was या were along with V3. So saw का seen आ जाएगा, which is there in all the option. Had cannot be there, is cannot be there. So a snake was seen by us नहीं आएगा, it will be by me. us तब आता अगर यहाँ पे I की जगह V होता. So it has to be 8C. 9th. I was making a plan. I was making a plan. I is the subject. A plan is the object. See, whenever you pick a subject, pick up with the article itself. Article भी होना चाहिए उसका. ऐसा नहीं खाली plan pick करोगे आप. Entirely you are supposed to pick up. So this is the sentence of past continuous. यहाँ पे was और being आना चाहिए. Was and were as per your new subject. So a plan is singular. So was being, which is there, which is not there in A. B में भी नहीं है, C में भी नहीं. It is D. So 9D is the correct answer. 10th. They help her. Now they help her. Wait. Again it is simple present. सिंपल प्रेजेंट है. हर का बन जाएगा she. So she is helped by them. Was नहीं आ सकता. It is not the sentence of the past. It is not of the perfect also. It is of simple present. So she is helped by them. Now 11th. They were singing songs. Now they is the subject. Songs is the object. Songs were है तो being आएगा. Songs were being sung by them. So it has to be D. So for 11, D is the correct answer. Okay, you are supposed to retain the tense. Again and again I am saying कि आपका अगर passive जो active जो है वो present में है तो आपका passive भी present में ही आएगा. 12th is Siva guides me. Guides है, es लगा हुआ है. So the sentence is of simple present. Right? It is of simple present. Again you will change it with is, am, are and V3. So guide का guided आ जाएगा. Me का बन जाएगा I. So I am guided by Siva. So for 12th, if you look into the option, this cannot be there. Being तो बिल्कुल नहीं आ सकता and past tense नहीं आ सकता. It has to be 12A. Okay, I am guided by Siva. Now 13th. I have not tasted the food. I have not tasted the food. The sentence is of simple past. No, it is of perfect. Present perfect. tasted is the third form and have है साथ में, तो it is present perfect. So I have not tasted the food. The food is singular, so ये has बन जाएगा. We'll search for the option. The food have नहीं आ सकता है. The food has ठीक है, and D भी नहीं. The food has not been होना ज़रूरी है. Why? Because it is passive. So 13 C is the correct answer. The food has not been tasted by me. 14th, he didn't ring the bell. Did है, did is always with simple past. So यहाँ पे was were और ring का रंग आना चाहिए. Is cannot be there, has cannot be there, had भी नहीं आ सकता. It has to be A. The bell was not rung by him. Now 15th, I do not use soap. Do किस में आता है? It is in simple present. Simple present tense. So did तो present में आता ही नहीं है, has भी नहीं आता है, was भी नहीं आता है. Soap is not used by me. 15 D is the correct answer. It is mix and match. कुछ आपके इसमें questions होंगे which typically are asked in the competitive exam. These are the simpler ones. Further, when we'll move further, you'll get the tough ones also. So we are playing chess. V is the subject. Chess is the object. Are playing. That means is MR plus being plus played आना चाहिए. So had cannot be there. Has भी नहीं आ सकता. Was भी नहीं आ सकता. Chess is being played by us. 17th. Suganya can help me. Now Suganya is the subject, me is the object. Me का क्या बन जाएगा? Me का बन जाएगा I. So I can be helped by Suganya. It has to be A. Could नहीं बनता. Can be helped. It has to be third form. So it is 17th only. 17A, I can be helped by Suganya. 18th, I ate a mango. Ate is what? V2, which is the sentence of simple past. Simple past है. Simple past from was, were and V3. So a mango was eaten by me. It has to be A only. Had, it cannot be there. Was भी नहीं आ सकता. Is eaten भी नहीं आ सकता. It has to be was. 19th.
हो गया मेरा. चलो मम्मा.
Okay, 19th. It is my father will advise you. Now here there is a small correction also in the 19th. It is my. Here there would be. I would tell you where to correct. First of all, see the sentence. Sentence देखते हैं पहले. My father is the subject and you is the object. Sentence है simple future का, so it will be will be. Now let's see will be कहाँ पे आएगा. A में नहीं है, B में it is there, C में भी नहीं है और D में भी नहीं है. So the correct one is B, but yes यहाँ पे your father नहीं आएगा, यहाँ पे my father आएगा. You will be advised by my father. Okay, please make the correction. There's a typing mistake. Here it will not be your, it will be my. 20th. Did she write a story? Now if your active is in interrogative, question के form में है, your passive would also be in interrogative form only. Okay. Did किसके साथ आता है? It is with simple past. We use with simple past. आप इसको was से change कर सकते हो, were से change करते हो. Since a story is singular, so ये was से start होगा. C cannot be there, D cannot be there. And right का third form होता है written, so it has to be B. For 20 it is B. Was a story written by her. 21. I was taking coffee. I was taking is past continuous. यहाँ पे being आना चाहिए. सबसे पहले हम being ही check करते हैं. It is not in B. It is not in D. So it is I was, that means past tense है, is भी नहीं आ सकता, it has to be C. Coffee was being taken by me. 22nd. Who saw the thief? Now who saw the thief? Here it is again interrogative sentence. Interrogative होता है question mark वाले. Whenever it is with who, it would start with by whom. Okay, so A तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं आ सकता. Saw is the second form, so यहाँ पे हमारे पास was आना चाहिए या were आना चाहिए, because the thief is what? The thief is singular, हमारे पास was आना चाहिए. So by whom was the thief seen? Saw का third form is seen, it has to be B. For 22nd it is B. By whom was the thief being seen? यहाँ पे सिर्फ been है, इसलिए we cannot go for C. And here we have has, so we cannot go for D also. The best option is B. By whom was the thief seen? 23rd. Does he help the poor? Now this is a very important sentence. Does he help the poor? Does है तो sentence है simple present का. अब simple present को हम is am are से change करते हैं, right? Here the poor जो है, for the poor we take it as to be singular, plural, I'm sorry. The poor को हम plural ले रहे हैं because it is talking about a category or the class of people. So are the poor helped by him? Is the poor नहीं आएगा. We are not talking as a singular thing. We're talking about plural. The plural क्या है? The poor जो होता है, that is what we are referring here is class or category of people. So we'll take it to be plural. So are the poor helped by him? For 23, C is the right one. 24th. She wrote some letters. Now she is the subject, letters is the object. Some letters पूरा आप लोगे, खाली letters नहीं लोगे. So some letters वर आना चाहिए because it is plural. So we have only in the C option. I did not read the whole of the sentence. A, B, D नहीं आ सकता. मुझे some letters वर चाहिए था. I got it in C option. So 24, C is the correct one. 25. My mother loves me. My mother and me, subject and object respectively. Loves है तो simple present है. So I, me का बन जाएगा I के साथ आना चाहिए am, which is only there in C option. I am loved by my mother. Had perfect में आता है, have भी perfect में आता है, was आता है past में, simple past में. So it is C only. 26th. The school gave him, for 26th, the school gave him many prizes. Now this is the level, this is the type of question जो कि पूछा जाता है आपके competitive exams में. I will tell you. See, it is not necessary कि object जो है वो हमेशा last में ही हो. Okay, like in this sentence, the school is your subject, him is your object. Okay, अब जो interchange करना है, like the first rule of active and passive, subject changes into object and object changes into subject. तो यहाँ पे him का बन जाएगा he. Gave है second form, तो he के साथ आता है was. So B cannot be there, ये भी नहीं आ सकता. Has been, it has to be he was given many prizes by the school. Definitely जो आपका ये subject है ये तो last में ही आएगा, लेकिन ये जो him है it would be at the first. So please mark my words, it is not necessary कि object हमेशा last में हो. And it is very important for you people to locate the correct object, because only then your new subject would be correct. आप बहुत जने many prizes से कर देते हैं, but it is wrong. It has to be he was given many prizes by the school. 27th. 27th is I know your father. Now this I have discussed in the previous video also. Again I am discussing. These are the typical type of questions which are asked. कुछ different type के हैं. I know your father. Looking at the sentence, it seems to be very easy. I is the subject, your father is the object. No है तो it is simple present, है ना, simple present है. is am are से change होगा. your father है, singular है, तो इसके साथ क्या लगेगा, is लगेगा. So your father is known to me या known by me, ये तो दोनों आपके इनकरेक्ट हो गए, बिकॉज हैज़ नहीं आ सकता, वॉज नहीं आ सकता. वेन एवर इट इज़ नोन, जब भी नोन आएगा उसके साथ हमेशा आएगा टू. सो 27C. 27C, योर फादर इज known to me. This is the correct sentence. Correct passive sentence rather. 28th. I will spend all the money. Now all the money is your new subject and I is the new object. So here it would be all the money will be. अब हमने will be देखना है. And spend का third form होता है spent. ठीक है, SPENT. So I have here, यहाँ पे नहीं हो सकता. being तो बिल्कुल नहीं आ सकता. is spent, this is all wrong. So it has to be A. All the money will be spent by me. 29th. They can help Shalini. Now they can help Shalini. Shalini would be your new subject. They would be your new object. Can है, can का बन जाएगा can be, and help का बन जाएगा third form helped. So Shalini can be helped by them. It is the very first option only. 29th A. Shalini can be helped by them. This cannot be there. यहाँ पे third form आना चाहिए. Can का could आप नहीं बनाओगे. You will never make could of can. Can would remain can only in the passive also. This is not narrations. Narrations में होता है वो. Who stole your pen? Now who है, as I have already told you कि who वाले questions में by whom से आप start करते हो. This one, this would be by whom, right? Stole का बन जाएगा stolen. Your pen जो है it would be in the simple past, so was आना चाहिए. By whom was your pen stolen? Did, it cannot be there, though it is simple past, but passive में जब हम बनाते हैं तो हम was were लगाते हैं. By whom is तो आ ही नहीं सकता, and it has to be D. So please hereby we just end up with the 30 questions. What you need to know, what you need to remember is, first thing, that your subject would change into object and your object would change into subject. Second thing which you need to remember is that while making passive, you're supposed to use only V3 form and no other form you'd be using, right? ये मैं brief out कर रही हूँ कुछ rules जो आपको याद रहेंगे. Third is that you cannot make passive. किसका नहीं बना सकते हो आप? फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूस का आप पैसिव नहीं बनाओगे. ये भी क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है, आपने नॉट पॉसिबल या नन ऑफ दीज में टिक करना है. एंड फॉर परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस ऑल्सो, परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस ऑल, वेदर इट इज पास्ट, प्रेजेंट और फ्यूचर, एंड देन इट इज यूनिवर्सल ट्रुथ. यूनिवर्सल ट्रुथ का भी पैसिव नहीं बनता. यू हैव टू रिमेंबर दीज थिंग्स. फोर्थ, सी वेन एवर यू मेक पैसिव, you need to have subject, you need to have object. So this particular combination has to be there. अगर इन दोनों में से कोई भी एक चीज़ मिसिंग है तो आप उसका पैसिव नहीं बनाओगे. एंड लास्ट, एट टाइम्स इट इज़ पॉसिबल कि पैसिव बन जाता है, बट देन इट शुड बी मीनिंगफुल ऑल्सो. इफ इट इज़ नॉट मीनिंगफुल, you will not make passive. Like if I say I'm going to market, the passive would be the market is being gone by me. Yes, practically तो sentence बन रहा है, but it is not a meaningful sentence. So you have to look for the meaning also. Thank you so much for watching the video. I have covered all the important points. After doing this, you won't face any problem in active and passive. Thank you for watching my video. Keep posting your comments. Thank you so much.